Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make your very own homemade jerk marinade. Yeah, man, I
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Few of these ingredients that I'll be putting into this jerk marinade will not be authentic, but trust me, they work and they make it very delicious. I don't want to bring up your expectation too much. So without further delay, forward, let me show you how I'm going. So to start off, we're going to go into some basic ingredients, right? And of course, we have here some scallion, some chopped onions, and I have some scotch bonnet peppers. Now these are very ideal when it comes down to jerk. You need a thing to be spicy, see? 3 scotch bonnet there. And this is roughly half white onion. Gonna go into some garlic cloves as well, washed and everything. For the pimento seeds, a lot of people may be confused. I'm gonna run a quick comparison. Alright, so the difference with pimento seed and peppercorn, the pimento seeds are a bit bigger, and peppercorns, they normally tend to be dried up like mini raisins, so to speak. So here I have my pimento seeds, so you see those? And this is your peppercorn. So you realize the difference. The peppercorn isn't as whole, it's like more shriveled and stuff like that. So that's one way to identify your pimento seeds. So this is what we're gonna work with, or pimento seed, right? This gives your jerk such a nice flavor. I'm gonna go into about a teaspoon straight in. About 2 stalks of green onion. Jerk is a thing you have to flavor it with spices, you know? So I'm gonna go in with some mixed spices. This is a mixture of cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. See? I'm gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of that. This is what our mixed spice looks like, right? Half teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna go in with some oyster sauce, right? Now I'm gonna go in with 1.5 tablespoons. You don't want to use too much of this because it tends to be sweet. A lot may argue that oyster sauce, I not put that in my jerk. I put that in most of my meats and it works for me. If you don't want to, it's fine to omit it, right? And let me say this before I go any further. This is not authentic jerk, but it's jerk. You feel me I say? Most if not all the ingredients that are in here make up authentic jerk, but this is not authentic jerk. So I don't want nobody come beat me down in the comment section. You understand? Big up on yourself. Comment down below still and let me know where you put in your jerk. See? Don't be a jerk. Then I'm gonna go in with some soya sauce. This is very salty. Unlike your oyster sauce, this has a lot of salt content to it. So I'm gonna go in with half tablespoon. Browning, others may call it caramel. I'm gonna go in with half teaspoon. Nothing too much. So I say I bring some color to the thing. And of course, you want a little bit of acidity of our tomato ketchup. You see? Not too much. You don't want to make this sweet. We have the oyster sauce, but we need a little tomato in the thing. So just by your choice, just a little bit. That is about a teaspoon. Gonna add some oil, 1/4 cup there about, to help with the blending process. And then I'm gonna go in with some dry thyme, but I couldn't find the thyme. The fresh time, so I'm going to some dry time. Big up time, all the time. Maris time. Oh yeah, man! Yo! Don't play with the thing, man. Big up Maris time. I'm full of time, so I can rhyme. Oh yeah, man, up to the time. Alright, time. Time is very important, you know. Don't get the thing twisted in a time. It is one of the most important ingredients in this recipe. One of the most important ingredients in life. Time. So big up time, and that's how we name Maris time. I may waste time by talking too much time. So come, we can put in time. This is 1 tablespoon. If you're gonna use fresh thyme, you can use about 2 to 3 stalks of fresh thyme. We're just gonna blend this all up. If you want to find out where you can get this blender, you know the thing go. Click the link below and you'll find out where we got this blender. This is a perfect blender as well to make your smoothies in the morning, and it makes it very nice and refined. You don't get no only chunks in the thing. And you can also use this as a transport cup. So all in one, man. Check out the thing. So look at that. Nice and chunky. The aroma is amazing. See? And that's how you get your jerk marinade, your jerk rub down for all your jerks. You know what I say? So for all you jerks out there, big up on yourself. there you have it. How to prepare your homemade jerk rub here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.